Today, we will be certifying the 6 new additional LGUs after they have gone through the long process of application and validation visits for the 3rd GAD LLH. Are gathered once again to learn, be inspired, network, and foster collaboration to strengthen our commitments in championing gender-responsive local governance.
Has also been profoundly supporting PCW-led campaigns such as the annual National Women's Month every March and the 18-day campaign to end violence against women, encouraging LGUs through policy issuances and organizing various activities and discussions that advocate for gender equality and women empowerment.
To all GAD LLH participants here today, we want to thank you for your unwavering commitment to creating positive change in our society.
So as you know, the GAD Local Learning Hub is a certification program of the PCW for local government units. Based on the Magna Carta of Women, meron pong section doon on the institutional mechanism, that's Chapter 6 of the MCW, that states that there should be an awards and incentive system to be institutionalized by the Philippine Commission on Women. At ito po yung ating GAD Pilot. Conceptualize the GAD Local Learning Hub, we not only conceptualize it as an award system, but also a system for referral. Because we have been receiving requests from LGUs. Paano po ba mag-mainstream ng GAD sa aming mga programs, systems, processes, and activities? So sabi namin, mas maganda na matutunan ng LGU yon sa kapwa LGU that has done gender mainstreaming. So it's a referral mechanism, no? For LGUs on the provision of GAD technical assistance.
Sa bawat toolkit po na nilalabas ng PCW, makikita ninyo ano ba yung mga gender gaps that we need to address. At the end of the day, this is what we want to ensure. What we want to see to help us locate, to help us identify the gender issues. The Girl Tool. Ayan po, no? The Girl Tool to see, to assess the strengths and the weaknesses of our LGU. Kasi ang goal natin ay maging fully gender responsive. Yun yung goal natin.
tayo as God Local Learning Hubs, dapat active po tayo bilang GFPS members dahil kayo po yung magsaserve as catalyst in gender mainstreaming in your respective local government. As catalyst, kayo po yung inaasahan na mag-ensure, mag-advocate, mag-guide, mag-coordinate ng mga gender mainstreaming activities in your respective local government units.
As you return to your respective LGUs with these markers, remember that your efforts transcend not only the present generation, but it will impact the children and even the future generation and leaders of our nation. We hope that this second God Local Learning Hub Assembly has ignited a flame of commitment and resolve for all of us to uphold and advance gender equality and the empowerment of women and girls in every corner of our nation.